Hi, I'm Abashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I'm also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, I will show you how to get LinkedIn Sales Navigator free for 2 months and you can cancel anytime. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a premium subscription service offered by LinkedIn, a professional social networking platform. It is designed to help sales professionals, business development teams, and individuals in similar role to identify and connect with the potential leads, build relationship, ultimately drive sales and business growth. And now you can see that last time I make a video about how you can get 2 month free sale navigator and people are commenting this link is not working, and now you can see that this is a video and people say that it's not working my link, and now I want to show a proof it's a working, so you will get benefit and you will also understand how this will be a work. And now you can see that I cannot use this link because I already use LinkedIn subscription. And now you can see that this is a yellow badge, and now you can see that I am already using a subscription, that is why I cannot use this link. And if anybody already used LinkedIn premium account and that person never get the benefit from this link. So if you are new and you never use a sales navigator, if you never use a LinkedIn premium account, so you can use this link. Simply you just need to click on link, and I cannot use because I already use LinkedIn premium account, and now you can see that you cannot redeem this promotion because you currently have a subscription. And for example, same URL we are copy and paste here somebody new account, and now you can see the results. And now I am pasting here the link for 2 month free, and now you can see that 2 month free trial for sale navigator code, and simply you just need to click on redeem offer, and after this you just need to put your credit card information, and then your 2 month is free. And now you can see that it's a simply link and it's a working now, because you can get benefits only when you never use a sale navigator before as a trial, you never use a LinkedIn premium account, so you can get benefit. And now this is a proof it's a working now, it's a same link, and you can see that if you already use, and this will show like this that you cannot redeem this promotion because you currently have a subscription. And if you are new, if you never use sale navigator, if you never use a LinkedIn premium, and when you will click on this link and this will show here, now you can see that this will show here you can claim 2 month free trial of sale navigator, and before 2 months you can also unsubscribe this. You just simply need to click on redeem this offer. So hope you understand, and if you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.